What you just heard is the infamous VQ37 engine breathing completely wide open. Today, we are finally doing it. We are cutting off the stock mufflers and the resonators on the Infiniti Q50 3.7. Now, if you own a Q50 with the 3.7-liter V6, you know exactly what the problem is. From the factory, this car sounds way too civilized. Nissan built an absolute masterpiece of an engine, the VQ37 VHR, but then they choked it and hid it behind huge, heavy resonators and restrictive mufflers. It's quiet. Way too quiet. We want that raw, aggressive VQ trumpet sound, but without spending $2,000 on a full catback exhaust system just yet. So, is a muffler and resonator delete the ultimate budget setup, or is it a one-way ticket to Drone City? Let's find out. We took the car down to the shop to get the stock units chopped off. For this setup, we're doing a total delete. We are replacing the heavy factory mufflers and mid-pipe resonators with straight stainless steel piping, finished off with some clean, aggressive exhaust tips. The weight savings are massive, and the cost is just a fraction of an aftermarket exhaust. But the real question is, how does it actually sound? Let's take a listen. Alright guys, we are inside the cabin now, and honestly, wow. The cold start is absolutely mean. When you step on it, the car completely wakes up. It has that signature, deep, raspy VQ growl that we all love, and it absolutely screams at high RPMs. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, drone. Is it loud inside? Yes, there is definitely some drone around 2,000 to 2,500 revolutions per minute when you're just cruising on the highway. If you want a perfectly quiet daily driver, this might be a bit too loud for you. But if you want your Q50 to turn heads and sound like a true sports car, this is easily the best bang for your buck modification you can do. Drop a comment down below and tell me what you think of this sound. Is it too raspy, or is it just right? If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more Q50 content, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.